Hello, my good news because sinuspinde ng PRC or ng Professional Regulatory Commission ang unit requirement para sa mga graduates ng non-education units at pwede na tayong mag-take ng licensure examination for professional teachers or LEPT even with just our diploma. Matatandaan na dati sa batas natin sa Republic Act 7836, yung mga pwede lang mag-exam ay yung mga nakagraduate ng education na nung education ay early childhood education, elementary education, or secondary education. Pero karamihan kasi sa atin we graduated with a bachelor's degree in arts and in sciences. In order for us to be allowed to let examinations, we have to take an extra 18 units. And so most of us take professional teaching certificates. However, mahirap para sa atin yun kapag mayroon na tayong mga full-time job kasi that's an extra time. That eats away our time. So, maganda itong ginawa ng PRC because ang ginawa nila, nirecognize na nila yung validity at credibility ng diploma as a requirement, as a prerequisite para makapag-take ng licensure examination, which is good. So, if your diploma is aligned with the major, then go take the exam.